And what we've just made is a wonderful aromatic and insect repelling candle. That's right, light the candle and you'll immediately notice how the scent in your house changes. The smell of fresh coffee can transform any space, and combined with clove, it will help repel all kinds of insects from your home, especially mosquitoes. Clove contains a compound called eugenol, which has insecticidal and repellent properties, driving away all types of flying insects. If you live in a place with a lot of bugs and don't know what else to do, make this homemade candle. It will not only keep them away from your home, but it will also leave your space smelling fresh and pleasant. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this tip as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Don't forget to follow if you found it helpful, and to comment the word GLOW below this video, and I'll send you my best-selling ebook for free right now. Share this video with your